Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at some ways you can fix slow printing in your Windows system. For a more in-depth look at the topic, check out the article in the description. Start with a hard reset of the printer. Constant use can create this problem. To do a hard reset, hold the printer button down until the printer shuts off. Then disconnect the power cable. Wait for a few minutes to drain all of the electricity from your printer. This time may vary depending on the machine, but probably in the neighborhood of 15 minutes. Then, reconnect the power cable and turn on the printer. Do a test print and see if the problem is resolved. Next, you can look at adjusting your printer preferences. This is a trade-off option. Yes, it might improve speed, but you might have to sacrifice printing quality to do this. This might also help when your printer is slow at printing PDFs, especially when they are large PDFs with a lot of pages and high quality images included. So, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners, and go to the printer that is giving you the problem. Then go to Printing Preferences. In the Main tab, you can reduce the quality of the print to a lower settings. Also, if possible, and you do not need or want color printing, you can go to grayscale printing. Black and white prints many times increases the speed of the printer. After you've made all of your changes, click Apply and click OK. Restart your printer and your system and do a test print to see if the problem is resolved. Next, let's look at how your printer is connected. If it is wireless and on a network, then we can see if the problem is caused by a poor network connection. We can possibly correct the problem by running a network troubleshooter. Open Settings, then go to Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. In Windows 10, you'll be looking for Additional Troubleshooter. Then look for Network Adapter and click on Run. Follow all of the on-screen prompts. After it's finished, restart your system and do a test print to see if that has improved. In some cases, a service might be hung up and restarting it can help. So, open a run box, type in services.msc and click OK. Look for Printer Spool. Double click on it and click on Stop. Now, open another run box and type in SPOOL. Click OK. This will open the System32 spool folder. Double click on the printers folder. If you find a print queue in here, delete it. Then go back to the Services window and click on Start. Try printing a document and see if the speed is improved. When was the last time that the firmware or the drivers were updated? This can cause slower speeds for the firmware. Go to the manufacturer's website and download and install the firmware updates from there. And while you are there, you can also look for the latest drivers as well and download to install them. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.